My name is Marcellus Howard, and this is my nuclear power proposal. The issue that we face today is that our main sources of energy are doing a large amount of damage to our atmosphere, which is one of the main reasons for climate change and global warming, and this is affecting many populations and ecosystems all around the world. My research question is, how can we make nuclear energy a safer and more affordable option than it currently is? The problem that we have with nuclear energy is that it can be expensive to build the power plants. It can be dangerous when they are hit with natural catastrophes, and it can have certain negative environmental effects. The information that I will need is to show the relative safety of nuclear power plants, to show the safety precautions they have taken in wake of recent disasters, just as a disaster in Japan, show the efficiency of nuclear energy compared to fossil fuels. As we see here that nuclear energy is 8,000 times more efficient. Look at the carbon emission of nuclear power plants, and look at the cost to produce nuclear energy as well. I will mainly be using scholarly articles to cover nuclear energy and its efficiency and safety. I will also use articles that follow the safety precautions of those who currently run nuclear power plants, such as the power plants that they use in France and China. I have found many of these sources on EBSCOhost and other educational websites and databases. My proposal will be to the general audience. Now, the negative effects of climate change are growing and becoming worse. It is affecting us all. We need a better source of power that won't be as harmful as our current sources are to the environment. If it is shown as one of the major causes for climate change that the carbon emissions have from our fossil fuels, the audience will want right away a different solution. Now, not only is nuclear energy a less pollutant option, it is also much more powerful and efficient. We also need a safer and less expensive way to make these power plants so that we can have a lot more of them, and so that they can be a lot less dangerous, so that we can quell some of the fears that the audience may have. Now, one of the potential pitfalls that I have anticipated is that many people are afraid of a meltdown or any other dangerous incident that might happen at a nuclear power plant facility. I will need to find articles on how scientists and engineers plan to address this so that their valid fears of safety can be lessened and eventually taken completely away.